It's Pookey time! Hi, I'm Pookey and welcome to my Minecraft plushie video where I can show you my collection of Minecraft plushies. They are so squishy and cute. This is Moo Moo and it's a cow and it's from Minecraft like I said, and it has grey on it with black on its feet with pink here and lots of colours on its lovely body. This is Skinny the Enderman and he likes teleporting a lot, and he's teleporting right now because every time it rains he goes in his house and walks like this. He runs. This is Ocelot and she likes doing press-ups and exercising and running a lot. And she's kind of cuddly. She's got red on her little tail. It kind of looks like she's got a badge on her tail, but no, it's just a little decoration on her little tail. And every time you get a black cat on Minecraft from my account, I always call it Salem because we've got a cat called Salem. And he is a black cat with green bluish eyes and he is lovely and he is 9. And this is Pookey the dog and he likes running a lot and playing on fetch, and he has a red collar and he has flat ears like bacon but grey. And I got him from Comic Con because they love Minecraft. You can get Mario hats and we got a garlic from there from Doctor Who. This is Chop the pig and it's got a swirly tail, and then the Enderman can ride his pig along like that, and then he puts his hand in the air and then sings some crazy songs and then they might fall off. The last one is Fluff the sheep, and Fluff likes sleeping and he feels like a cuddly real sheep. And I've got a Minecraft little figurine and it has no wool, so it's naked. Bye everyone, and thank you for watching my video, and hit the subscribe button if you love it. Bye! Bye, 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 bye. Bye. I will come and eat you. Just Enderman flop.